Many South Africans are paying more in bank fees than they realize, not because they're bad with money, not because they're irresponsible, but because no one ever explained how their fees actually work. You might check your balance, see less money than expected, and think, where did my money go? Today, I'm breaking down the biggest bank fees South Africans don't know they're paying, and more importantly, how to avoid them. If you've ever looked at your bank statement and seen charges you don't understand, this video is for you. Let's start with the most common fee, ATM withdrawal fees. You might believe that withdrawing cash is free. It is not. Using your own bank's ATM is cheaper. Using another bank's ATM is more expensive. But here's where many people lose money without noticing: withdrawing small amounts often. If you withdraw 100 Rand or 200 Rand several times a month, you can end up paying more in fees than someone who withdraws a larger amount once. Those small withdrawals feel harmless, but the fees add up quickly. A simple rule is this: withdraw less often, and when possible, use store cashback instead of ATMs. Store cashbacks generally charge per transaction instead of per 100 Rand, like ATM withdrawals. Next up, card swipe and transaction fees. Some entry-level bank accounts charge you every time you swipe your card. So if you use your card for groceries, fuel, takeaways, and online shopping, those small per transaction fees can quietly drain your account. This is why the cheapest bank account on paper is not always the cheapest in real life. It all depends on how you use your account. Now let's talk about one of the sneakiest fees: SMS and notification fees. Every time you receive an SMS saying, "You have spent 250 Rand," you may be paying for that message. It doesn't feel expensive, but when you receive many notifications every month, those charges add up. Most banks now offer free app notifications, which do the same thing without the SMS cost. Switching to app notifications alone can save you money every single month. Another common issue in today's uncertain job market is banks won't downgrade your account automatically. You have to ask. If you happen to lose your income or stop using your account, the bank will still charge you the standard monthly fee. Make sure you align your fees with your current income. Now, here's a painful one: declined and failed transaction fees. If a debit order fails because there's not enough money in your account, you may still be charged a fee. If your card declines at a till, you might still pay a charge. So not only does the payment fail, you also lose money. The easiest way to avoid this is to always leave a small buffer balance in your account so debit orders don't bounce. Now, let's talk about the most dangerous fee of all. Here's the truth: most South Africans were never taught how banking works. Not at school, not at home. So if this is the first time you're hearing this, that's not your fault. The system is confusing on purpose, and many people only learn the hard way. To quickly recap, the biggest hidden bank fees are ATM withdrawal fees, card swipe and transaction fees, SMS notification charges, unnecessary monthly account fees, and failed transaction fees. Once you understand these fees, you can avoid them. And when you avoid them, your money starts working for you instead of disappearing quietly. If this video helped you understand your money better, subscribe to Mzansi Made Simple.